Well, good afternoon, everybody, and there's no vanilla bean video today. Why? Because I'm making a chicken coop. Right now, I'm sanding off paint with Joe's grinder. That's right. We started building this chicken coop yesterday. I put the old picket fence up. It used to be white, of course, but it's aged and the paint is peeling, so I'm stripping all the paint off and I am gonna repaint it. So, but the chicken coop is actually all the way done. I'll show you a whole tour tomorrow. And we'll get our, I'll turn in my paperwork for my license tomorrow. We'll put up the fence so that the chickens will stay where I want them to, unless I want them to run around the garden or the yard, which they can. But I think if I was gone, I'd rather they were in an enclosed area. So next week, we'll have a vanilla bean video. But sometimes life is just happening. Got a bucket full of food for the chickens, and we are set. It's a beautiful afternoon. We have actually been working since about 7:30 this morning. And Joe's inside because he has class tonight. But I thought I would get this all sanded. Actually, I'm using a wire brush with a battery. The video for the whole chicken process will be up tomorrow. Everything that we did, all the fence, everything. I've been chopping trees down too. It was too crowded over here. So it's been a busy day. And what time is it? It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Everybody have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. And you will be able to see my whole chicken house and run. It's going to be fabulous. See you next time.